In this video, I'll show you how to connect the antenna to your LED sign. Begin by identifying the antenna cable. The cable will have an RJ45 connector on one end and an LP20 connector on the other. Take the antenna and remove the cover from the bottom. Insert the RJ45 connector into the PoE port on the antenna. Attach the LP20 connector to the antenna port located on the back of the sign. Power on the sign to ensure that the activity lights are functioning as expected. Specifically, check for the power lights to confirm that the antenna is receiving power, and the network light to verify a connection to the control board. Once you've confirmed proper functionality, secure the cover back on the antenna. Mount the antenna to the pole. Ensure the antenna is mounted upright with the cable exiting from the bottom.